Alright, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I do already have foundation on, primer, brows, and concealer and powder on my face. I just filmed a video testing out the new Wet n Wild Jelly Primer, so that's why I already have my base. But we're going to go ahead and jump into the rest of the face. So the first product I'm going to be using is the e.l.f. blush. Looks like this. This is in the color Blushing. And I'm taking my Sophie Glam little angled blush brush and I'm picking this up. This blush is very light, but it looks so good on the skin when you build it up. So that's what I'm doing here, just putting it on my skin. Right, now we're going to go into the Makeup Revolution bronzer. I can open it. The Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Bronzer. This is in the color Golden Days. This bronzer right here just looks so good on light skin. I don't think this is something that would show up if you have like medium to dark skin, but on light skin this does look so good. So this is one of my favorite bronzers. I'm going to be going in with the Morphe R10 brush and picking this up, and we're just bronzing up the entire face as we normally do. I'm going to go in to it and just kind of bronze around, not sharp contour it, but just, you know, bronze up the face. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and go into highlighter. This is the Wet n Wild, it's like a loose powder highlighter. This is in the color I'm So Lit. Taking my favorite highlighting brush, this is the Morphe M510 brush. It's a little lopsided right now, but I'm going to go into the powder. This highlighter, I've been really loving this highlighter. It looks so good and so inexpensive. We're just going to put it all over the face. Now I'm going to be taking the e.l.f. Dewy Setting Mist and just spraying my entire face with this. And I already say this all the time, but I love how this smells. It smells like coconuts and it smells so damn good. Alright, so we're going to go into the Jeffree Star Thirsty palette. It looks like this. Super beautiful palette. Super pretty colors. The only thing, the mattes in this palette are not super pigmented. You do have to go into them pretty heavily. But the glitters are super amazing and they're like a formula like no other. So yeah. So anyways, I'm just going to go into this little brush right here. This is the Ipsy L34 Blend Beauty Brush. It's very old, but I'm going to go into this color right here. And this is the color Subtle? I don't know how to pronounce that, but anyways, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start bringing this color into my crease and rounding out the edges of my eyes. Just start building this up and blending it super nicely. Alright, now I'm just going to take a clean brush and I'm going to go into this color right here. This is the color Parched, and I'm taking that and I'm just using it to diffuse the top and the outer part of my eyes so it's super blended. And now I'm going to go back into that first color we were using. I'm going to darken it up just a little bit. I didn't think I wanted it darker, but I do. And guys, this look's going to be so easy. Alright, again with that Parched color, just using it to diffuse and blend out the top and outer part of the eye. Alright, so now I'm just taking a flat brush. Any flat brush will do, but this is the one I'm going to be using. This is the Almar Cosmetics little flat brush. And I believe, I can't remember, but I believe these shades work better with your finger, but I'm going to go into the brush first. So I'm going to be taking the silver in the palette. And I've just been wanting to use this silver for a while now. This is the color Divine. And I just picked up way too much. I'm going to keep that amount on the brush and I'm just going to spray my brush just as I always do. And we're gonna just lay this down on the lid. I mean, that shade just literally went on so pretty. Alright, and now that I have it shaped, I'm going to take it on my finger and just use this just to get a little bit more of a shimmery, glittery effect. Alright, so I'm now going to go into the first brush we're using, and I'm going to go into this color right here, which is a darker brown. This is in the color Drizzle. And I'm just going to use it just to blend out the edges, or the end, I don't know what you call this, the outer part of your eye. Just using that to blend it out, not too heavy. And then again, with the parched color, we're just using it to diffuse out the outer part of the eye. Alright, so now I'm just going to take a smaller brush. This is the Luxie 111 Mini Flat Angled Brush. And I'm going to go into the first color we were using right here. I'm taking this color and just blending it under my eyes. Alright, so I was going to use black eyeliner, but you know, I just changed my mind. So I'm going to go in with the NYX White Liquid Eyeliner, and we're just going to draw some wings on these eyes. I'm so stupid. Alright, and I'm going to try to do this on camera. You guys already know, this shit's hard as fuck, okay? So we're going to try to draw some wings. Can you guys tell me how, when people use liquid eyeliner, how they don't get it in their eyelashes? Like, I literally get it in my eyelashes and it's the most annoying thing. Okay, I'm just gonna do the rest off camera because this shit's hard. Alright, so we did the eyeliner, which I think looks really, really good with this eyeshadow, but damn, do you guys know of any like colorful eyeliners that don't crack like a motherfucker? Like, seriously, I would love an eyeliner that doesn't crack or feel like caked up dryness on my eyes. Alright, so anyways, we're going to go in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. I got this in my BoxyCharm, that's why I've been using it so much lately. And I can't decide if I like it or don't like it. So anyways, we're just putting it on the top and bottom lashes. Alright, so now I'm going to be taking the Milk Makeup Tattoo Little Liner Stamp. And I have the star-shaped one. You guys know I love stars. It's like literally one of my most favorite things. So, okay, so I'm going to put it right above, make sure I have it angled properly. Alright, I'm going to put it right above the eyeliner. Okay, bitch. Alright, cute. Alright, do it on both sides. Alright, I'm happy. And I love this thing. The only thing I can complain about is that these things are so hard to get off. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick. And this is the beautiful glittery packaging I love. And this is in the color Scandal. Alright, so that is the completed look. I really like how this came out. I think it's super cute, super easy, and this is really not what I was going for at all at first, but this is what we got, so I am happy with it. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give my video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.